Hello class, I'm showing you this code, which is code I do not want you to write because it is not as efficient and reusable as code that I'm trying to get you to write. So this is for demonstration purposes of how not to do something. So let's take a look. How many functions do you see in this code? I'll go slowly. And if you said several, you're right. There's the main. There's a double number, but and this is the main, what do you notice about the double number? Double number is embedded within main, which means only the main can call it. Triple number can't call it, and I can't call it from outside of any function. So it's like a child to main. Only main can access it. Triple number is outside of the main, so it can be used from other parts of the code. Let's try running it. I'm going to keep it easy and do 5. And look, double number works because just in case you haven't been watching other videos, the code drops down, calls the main. It goes up here, and it recognizes that I have a function called double number. I ask for a number. I call double number here. I pass in the 5, 10 comes out, and I put 10 here, and I call the triple number, and it does 15. Beautiful. It drops down out of the main, back to here, and then calls the print, which is yet another function, but that comes built into Python. We try to access the double number passing in 14, but it's buried in here inside main, and it does not work. Not good. But notice triple number is coded outside of another function at the right level. So if I come down here, I can actually call triple value from not within any function, not within the main, just right here all by itself. Let's see if this works. Well, actually, I'll get the error. So what I'm going to do is put this in front of this because the program errors out because it can't access the double number. Say OK. Put in 3. Okay, and there you go. There's the triple number 42. Well, here's the triple number 3 is doubled and tripled. The 42 is 14 tripled. And I get the error when it tries to access double number because it's buried inside here.